welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Lois and I'm happy to have you. I post content on vlogs, travel, food, lifestyle in general, so kindly subscribe and stick with the family. Today my video is on a weekend vlog, what I did during the weekend, and this was a Saturday, 22nd of July. And I went for an art exhibition. This was a group exhibition with Paige and Theodora. This is Paige's work from the beginning to some point, and I wouldn't be talking much on Paige's work because I wasn't able to attend her exhibition, so I don't know much about her work. I know art is an individual thing, and you are just supposed to take the message from what you see and how you feel about it, but that just didn't happen for me. Not because her work wasn't good, because as you can see, her work is good. I just didn't get it that much. And even with Theodora's work, I didn't really get it until she spoke about it because I went for her exhibition. So this is her exhibition, and I'll show you her work and tell you more about what her work was about when it gets to hers.
That I would like to let everyone understand. The pieces you see behind us here, these are Theodora's works. So from the sculptures to these portraits you see here, these are Theodora's works. As well as in the third space at the end, where there is a lot of balloons, these are hers work too.
So this is Theodora's work, and her work is based on mental health and mental health illness and issues that we are dealing with. And these images show, you see the eyes are covered, there are no eyes in the images, and that shows, from what she explained, that shows that mental health is not seen. It's not something that is seen in someone. It's something that happens within the mind. If you realize, most of the images are just showing the face. That shows the mind and what people are going through, from depression, anxiety, things like that with mental health issues. Their struggles are not really seen. They are felt. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. They are felt. They are not really seen. You can feel depressed, you can feel anxiety, you can feel pain, you can feel doubt and things like that, but you can't really see it. Yes, something like that. And some of the sculptures over here show people overthinking. You see, with their hands on their head, the burden is heavy, their head is heavy to carry, and that's basically the message. And with some of the sculptures, if you look clearly, some of them are older men, like older men or women, they seem like older men or women, and that shows that mental health issues, anyone can get it. It can be an old person, and some of the sculptures who are smiling, it can be people who are extremely happy, but they are going through their own things behind closed doors, and you don't know what's happening to them, basically. Yes. And if you see the three pictures that was directly behind her when she was talking, the ones that were behind her, one of the images was a man, and one was a male and one was a female. That shows it can happen to both male and female. And the last one was something like a nun. That shows that religious people can also have mental health issues. The fact that you believe in something greater than yourself and you are working on yourself and you are having hope and faith doesn't mean you cannot be going through stuff too. And this board was given for people to write down how they feel about this. Some people with some really interesting things, so just take some. That's why I made it slow. Take some time and read what some things have been written. Maybe you might find something that works for you or something that you believe in. Yes.